sweetheart. Yeah, well, turned around a little bit, your head anyway. You look very nice. So this is one of our F chicks. It'd be great if you turned around. There's a path I can go on, which is a seasonal path. Oh, there you go. Thank you for turning around. That's very nice of you. Yeah, are you going to take off on us? Well, at least she's facing us here for a minute or two. Oh, there's a squirrel over here. Between us and her, there's a squirrel nest in the short little tree right here. And it's got squirrel in it. I wonder if you're going to go for that. Yeah, she may. Yeah. She's checking out the squirrels here. That could be a bad move, squirrel. There she goes. Yeah, she just missed the squirrel. Yeah. Well, there's branches between us and her, guys, so she is right in the thick of things here. We've got squirrel on the mind. Yep. Yep.